Welcome to your new fitness journey with the Sperax 3-in-1 folding treadmill designed for home and office use. This powerful machine features a 2.5 horsepower motor supporting up to 340 pounds with speeds from 1 to 10 kilometers per hour. Enjoy a wider 5-layer anti-slip belt that ensures safety and comfort while protecting your knees with shock-absorbing cushioning. The LED display shows real-time data like distance, speed, and time, while the remote control makes adjusting settings effortless. Its portable foldable design requires no assembly and includes wheels for easy storage and movement. Whether you're walking, jogging, or running, Sperax offers modes tailored to your pace and fitness level. Start living healthier today with this high-quality, versatile treadmill built for your convenience and workout success. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.